So this is the Surveyor 3 bounce, that landing sequence. Supposedly the Surveyor 3 came in and it kind of bounced 1, 2, 3. And it says the first bounce was 15 to 22 meters, and the second bounce was 11 to 14 meters. And then it has some smaller bounces after that. And they can calculate that. I have no reason to doubt that, actually. I mean, they can calculate based on the telemetry data of where it actually hit and where it finally came to resting place. But the thing is this, if you look at the actual footprints, this is the footprint supposedly taken by Apollo 12. If you look at where it bounced, it would first bounce here in the middle, and then the second bounce came sort of on top of that, but at a flat angle. And then it finally came to a resting place, number 3, on the left. So that's not possible, according to any laws of physics, because if a ship were moving at a slight momentum in one direction, it's going to keep moving in that direction. It's not going to hop backwards, you know? So, and not only that, so this footprint number 3 being there behind it is totally wrong. And this other footprint here, which is at an angle, this would be practically impossible for a footprint at this angle to hit the ground at this angle. This is like they just used a stage prop to put this initial footprint in, and they put it in at the wrong angle, and then they stepped on top of it with the footpad again to create this one. And then they put the final resting place here. So this is totally nonsense, this landing sequence, you know, first footprint, second footprint, third footprint. This is total nonsense, you know.
Where is this image from? What, in case anyone wants to look at it? What?
This is the Apollo 12, just when the 2 astronauts came walking up to the Surveyor 3 craft. They had taken a series of photos as they're getting closer to the Surveyor 3. And when they finally get up to it, they were close enough to see these footprints. And he took 2 images of the footprints that look like that. And then he stuck his boot in there and he messed up the footprints because maybe he thought they were kind of wrong himself. So he put his boot there and moved dirt into the Surveyor 3 footprints to kind of hide the fact that this would have been impossible for this leg to make that angle of an impression.
Yeah, that leg, that limb had apparently a whole, I don't know, a foot. It's weird. Yeah, it makes no sense. It doesn't look like anything that design would do at all.
Mm-hmm.